Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Habaya keren bat kinong thok khubor u Inspector General ka BSF Meghalaya u Inderjit Singh Rana uliya tho hakabaya day bat ka jingjur jong ka jingshalan Be-Aiñ ya ki masi sa Bangladesh. Ulaong bayakaning ihapan ya trailang bat ki bor bahalor jong ka Jylla bat kumjuru bat ka border gateway protocol pan Pynshitom ya ki badan kiti hakani ka kam. Ulaong ru ba ka Shong ha ka bor jong ka Sorkar Jylla bat ka Sorkar India bakan shim ni ka rai halor ka no ka kam Khaïi.
We don't have exact figure. Whenever we get this any detail from the state authority and this thing, we try to pursue that thing. We don't know exactly how many they are working, but it is the situation is better than before.
There are no camps as such.
No, I am not saying camps are there or not. I am saying whenever we get the list from the state authorities and BGB, that is conveyed to all the agencies, which will happen from the international border. We, in coordination with the state authorities and also in coordination with the BGB, we try to curb it.
But why is it not reducing cattle smuggling?
How you can say it is not reducing?
You have rigid techniques.
Do you have figures?
You yourself have the figure. You have mentioned about the cattle.
The cattle smuggling is it's not this phenomena for this year only. It is since 2 or 3 years. And not only cattle smuggling, every type of smuggling we try to curb it with the assistance of state authorities, and also we are taking on board BGB also.
Why can't the legalization process be started?
That has to be done by the state government.
Legalize the...
Because the trans-border, whatever trade, it has to be decided by the state government and central government.
Uliya thoru ba ki BSF kila juyo ban kem ni ki poiwer na Myanmar ki ba wanrung sa ka Jylla Meghalaya.
There is some problem in Myanmar, and the refugees are coming in Bangladesh, and they try to go in every country. And some of them also trying to infiltrate India also. Every infiltration which is taking place is not good. Even if one infiltration takes place, we try to curb it.
Hakabaya day bat ka jingbo ya ki border hat UIG ulaong baka Jylla kadang don kam ya shibun ki border hat kanang bakan long ka jingmentoy ya ki nongsong snong ka Jylla haka kam Khaïi bat ka Bangladesh.
Recently, 2 border hats are already working, and one has started, I think, from yesterday in Khaïi area. 2 are already working, one has started in Khaïi also.
But have you made a review of this functioning?
We are always positive, and we are always recommending that more border huts should be there, and we are taking up this with the government, and wherever the sanction will come, then we will convey it to all.
What about the goods? Has it the list has increased or?
No, normally it's a structured list of basically the local produce which is exchanged. I don't have the list, but subsequently it can be given to you.